Good morning to all. On behalf of SSBT's Department of Mechanical Engineering, it is my pleasure and privilege to welcome all eminent speakers. Shri Gulab Singh Girase Sir, Director, Grow Solar Energy Private Limited, Mumbai. Dr. S.K. Samdarshi, Professor, Department of Energy Engineering, Central University of Jharkhand, Ranchi. Dr. Ajay Chandak, Promoter, Researcher and Innovator in New and Clean Energy from Dhulia. Shri Sanjeev Fadnis, Senior Technical Manager, Jain Irrigation Systems Limited, Jalgaon. And Shri Debamalya Sen, Senior Consultant, Emerging Technologies, Customized Energy Solutions, Pune, and all the distinguished participants all over the India to this workshop. I take this opportunity to thank our management, principal and vice principal for their cooperation and encouragement to conduct such events. Such events requires planning and bird's eye for detail. Here we are fortunate enough to be backed by a team of a very dedicated and motivated team of our college who know their tasks and are very much result oriented. I also extend the thanks to Facebook who had given so nice platform to conduct such sessions. It is an opportune time to renew the contacts and discuss on mutual interest topics with delegates. India is one of the countries with large production of energy from renewable sources. As of 31st March to 2020, 35.86% of India's installed electricity generation capacity is from renewable sources, generating 21.22% of the total utility electricity in the country. India is running one of the largest and most ambitious renewable capacity expansion programs in the world. The Indian renewable energy sector is the fourth most attractive renewable energy market in the world. Use and promotion of green and clean energy sources, large-scale sustainable power projects are the need of the age. In addition, renewable energy has the potential to create many employment opportunities at all levels, especially in rural areas. If you are having any questions, you can comment in comment section of a Facebook group. I will end by a few words. Ride the tide of the success on the ocean of the knowledge. Learning with let you float, and ideas will let you rise to the heights sublime. Once again, I thank you and wish you a stimulating and productive week. Now I welcome Shri Gulab Singh Girase Sir as the today's speaker. His topic of the keynote address is Energy Scenario in the World and India. Shri Gulab Singh Girase Sir is a director at Grow Solar Energy Private Limited, Mumbai. Earlier, he was director of Mahagenco and MSCB company. During his tenure, he was instrumental in setting up of Mahagenco's 125 megawatt solar PV project in 2011-12 at Sakri district, Dhule. This was then the single largest solar project in the world. After VRS, he has set up much more of such projects. So I welcome Shri Gulab Singh Sir Girase. Thank you.